Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix USB composite device driver error, then let's look at the following options. So the first option would be is to run the hardware and device troubleshooter. We do that by clicking the Windows and R button and typing in this command msdt.exe space hyphen id space DEVICE device diagnostic, pressing OK, and then we have to press advanced. Make sure this button is ticked, apply repairs automatically, click next, and this should resolve the issue. If not, then we have to update the device drivers. So we do that by going to device manager and looking for the USB. Here we need to right click and update the drivers one by one for how many ever USB ports you have. This should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.